Welcome back. Duller Football Ground staged the first I-League match of the season on its brand new artificial turf on Sunday. The GFA ground that was devoid of football action for most of the year due to work on the artificial turf had come to life last week. The Pro League clash between Churchill and Salgaonkar saw a large turnout. Salgaonkar won that match and reproduced the winning form to beat Air India in the I-League on Sunday.
Salgaonkar dominated the proceedings and came up with a 4-0 victory over Air India. It was the best result for a team that has suffered jolts like losing their I-League winning coach Karim Bensherifa this season. Salgaonkar's Augustine Fernandes was named man of the match for his 2 goals. There is a general feeling that the pitch needs to settle down more. On Monday, Goa Vella Sports Club and Salset Football Club played on the Duler ground. Here are their reactions about the artificial turf.
It's a very good ground, good conditions to play, and it's a good opportunity for us to play on this type of ground.
We are playing a practice match on a new turf which is laid down, and I suppose it's the best one available here in Goa. I think it will get better as the days passes because it still has to get a little bit seasoned.
Right now, initially it will get used to it and then it will be okay.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
It's time to say goodbye to year 2012 and welcome 2013 with lots of hopes. 2012 brought good as well as bad memories to Goans. Here are some of the major events that took place in 2012. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.